Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar had spotted a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles east of El Reno, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Riley Post Report, Bethany and Mustang. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If no basement is available, line a ditch and cover your head with your hands. In addition to the tornado, large and destructive hail of softball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Reno, Bethany, Yukon, Mustang, Morris, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.